Hello, my name is Joel Cannon, and I'm going to give you a demonstration of my favorite part of Family Search, and that is the wiki. Let me show you how to find it. So I'm on the home page. I'm going to go to Search up at the top here, and it's not showing up here directly, so I'm going to pull down this More menu, and I'm going to scroll down and get the Research Wiki. So now we've just use the search menu to get to the Research Wiki. And on this page, I can type in anything I want to find information about how to do family history research. And let me explain to you a little bit about what a wiki is. So a wiki is a way for a community, a group of people, to share information. And so this wiki is maintained by thousands of volunteers that are contributing their expertise to this. It's like a crowdsourced encyclopedia, and it specializes in genealogy information. And so let's say I'm going to type in, you can see there's a map here. You could go and you could search by countries, and there's lots of help guides and things like this, but I'm just going to dive right in. And we're going to search for my favorite topic, which is DNA. And we're going to find out what the wiki has to say about DNA. So the first article is about DNA in Charleston. Let's scroll down a little bit. United States adoption research. Hey, that sounds interesting. I'm going to click on this. And so all of this information is about how to find information. You can think of it as metadata. So here I am. Adoption organizations, adoption records by state. Let's click on that. That seems interesting. Okay, I'm from California. I'm going to dive in a little bit deeper. And so here, it's taken me to the page on the California wiki page, but to the section about adoption records, and it's explaining that you have to be over 21 to request information, and that otherwise birth certificates are sealed except by court order, and the only information you can get if you're lucky is information that the birth parents have volunteered to provide upon request. Let me go back. Let's go to another section just to compare. So that was looking at California's adoption records. You can see I've got all the different states if you wanted to find what are the rules for releasing adoption information state by state. Early adoption records. Oh, that's interesting. Further, well, let's look at that. So, yeah, it doesn't have much to do there, but here it's got more information. Now, what's interesting is all of this information has been provided by volunteers, and so you can request the ability to be able to contribute. I just did that by clicking on this request, and one of the questions was, why do you think you should have access? And it gives a couple reasons. One of them is because you're a BYU student, so that's the one I picked, and I'm waiting for them to grant me permission, and then I'll be able to go in and be able to edit these pages, add information, correct errors that I might find, and you can find all sorts of stuff. When I go on a trip, I'll type in the place that I'm going, and it will tell me places that have genealogy information, places I might want to visit. It will give me recommendations of the type of records that are available there, and just a lot of it'd be like talking to an expert on that one topic. So it's all put together. So there's lots and lots to learn about the wiki, so dive in.